Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Old School Runescape on a Chromebook. First, ensure your Chromebook supports Android apps and enable the Google Play Store in your settings. Once enabled, open the Play Store and search for Old School Runescape. You'll find the official app available for download. Install it directly onto your Chromebook, just like you would on a phone or tablet. This is the simplest method for most users. For a more traditional desktop experience, you can use Linux Beta. Start by enabling Linux in your Chromebook settings. After it's set up, open the Linux terminal. You'll want to update your package lists and upgrade any existing software. Then, download the official Old School Runescape client designed for Linux. This method offers greater flexibility and a familiar desktop interface for the game. Once you have the Linux client downloaded, you'll need to install it. Open your Linux terminal again. You might need to install some dependencies first, which are usually listed on the official OSRS Linux download page. After that, navigate to the directory where you downloaded the client file. Use the appropriate command to execute the installation, typically involving dpkg or similar package managers, to get the game running. To ensure the best experience, optimize your game performance. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset if you notice any lag. Closing other applications running in the background can also free up valuable resources. For optimal performance, your Chromebook should ideally have at least 4 GB of RAM. These steps will help you enjoy Old School Runescape smoothly on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.